Today, I'm taking you with me to work. I work in building safety, and today we were going to see one of our projects in our portfolio. This is not a project I've worked on directly, but a member of my team has. So we started off with a little background to the project before putting on our PPE and going on site.
The compressed fire stopping, here it's horizontal and it's like this around each window as well.
This is one of the completed towers out of the 4 that we were viewing that day. And here is the basement of that tower. Here they're keeping all of the supplies that they need to finish the cladding and all of the fire safety on the other towers. They also showed us some of the old material that were on the towers before and were explaining to us how combustible these materials were. So it was good to get a bit of background knowledge on what we were working with prior to taking this project on board and making it fire safe for residents. We entered one of the flats that have been completed and we were given a demonstration of their window. Now, residents had previously complained that the windows didn't open wide enough. So whilst they were doing all the fire safety measures, they took on board all of the complaints the residents had and changed the windows. The window opens very wide, as you can see, but with it opening this wide, the person who holds the key must be risk assessed and only that person can use the key. From a completed tower to a tower that's still in the process of being remediated. Let's see what this one is saying. This was my first time going up a hoist. It was very, very, very slow. I'd rather it go slow than fast because by the time I got to the top, I never knew I was scared of heights. Am I scared of heights? I'm not sure. Maybe we were just really, really, really high, as you can see. But yeah, it was doing me a little something.
Are you sure these things don't move? Because the way they're feeling, yeah. Hey.
We mimicked this concrete wall and its profile, and we tested our system as part of the British standard, and we had about 90 minutes of fire on it to see how it would react and whether the fire stopping works as we intended to, and I'm pleased to say it did. All that happened was the panels melted, but nothing burned and there was no fire spread. And you can see everything is non-combustible. It's stainless steel, aluminium, rock wool, natural products. There is nothing that would burn. At the top of every floor you have these cement boards. This is the fire stopping horizontally from flat to flat. This, I call that the fire airbag. Put here at every base of the floor. Should there be a fire below, this shoots out and creates a barrier under the cladding system so that nothing can go into the floor above.
We went up one more floor. This time we took the stairs and we went up to see one of the flats that had not been completed yet. At the top, we saw Grenfell, and it's quite bittersweet because it shouldn't have had to take people dying before fire safety was acknowledged the way it was. And Grenfell is not the first tower to actually have deaths in it because of fire. It was a reminder of how important our work is. Then we went and had a lunch break, and as you can see, there were sandwiches on deck, fruit, some sweet treats. My manager made a joke that he made a special room just for me.
Yeah, I've read it.
SSCR. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. SSC. Is my English not clear?
It's good.
3, 2, 1, go. SSCRF. Wow. Wow.
Guys.
Wow.
Being the only girl on the team is hard work. After being buoyed by my team, I made my way home. I had a great day on site. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of the kind of work I do. See you soon.